Caught me off guard on the shoulders of the freeway. You told me real soft, never been in this lane. And I saw it in your eyes, explosions in the skies. Hands in your pocket, shoulder to shoulder, so laid out for me. Oh, I could never run any other way. If you had a reason that'd make you stay, we could go out, my baby. With you, it's kinda different than a sunny say. I could be a player every Saturday. We should go out, my baby. It's like throwing flowers on the wall. You remind me of the colors in the summer through the fall, like flowers on the wall. You take me back to the time, simpler play. Oh, I could never want it any other way. If you had a reason that'll make you stay, we could go out, my baby. With you, it's kinda different than the sound and sing. I could be a player every Saturday. We should go out, my baby. Whatever you want, whatever you need, I can be the one to let you run away. Wherever you're going, whatever you need, I can be the sun dancing through the rain.
Ano po, hindi po kasi naging madali yung journey namin. May mga struggles po na dumating, pero nakaya po namin. Kasi po yung pinakapunto ng napakahirap na sitwasyon, kami yung mag-alhak.
I used to look up at the stars and get jealous of the sky.
Ngayong preparation, parang may dumating lang na pagsubok na ngayon, nakaya namin. Talagang magkasama kami hanggang dito.
Yung sa tatay ko, nung nagkasakit siya, ganun, na-hospital siya. Siya yung katulong ko nung mga panahong yung parang gulong-gulong isip ko, ganun.
Parang baliwala po lahat. Basta magkasama kami, makakaya lahat.
'Cause I never felt so.
Una pa lang kitang nakita, pinagdasal na kita. At sinabi ko sa sarili ko na iingatan kita. Ikaw pala yung the one na gift sa akin ni Lord na matagal ko nang inaantay.
Let's burn like the stars, leave it all behind.
Noemi, you are truly so beautiful. With the love of the Lord that has given you His finest gift, His love. That you are not only so beautiful outwardly, but deep inside. Because you have the love of the Lord.
I used to think the moon must be out of his mind.
Sa 6 years natin na pagsasama, kumapit ka lang lagi. Hindi ka bumibitaw. Alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako perpekto, pero kahit anong mangyari, hindi tayo mapapaghiwalay at magiging isa akong haligi ng tahanan araw-araw na mamahalin.
And I knew it was the start of a lifetime. 'Cause
Ayos, maging maayos lahat ng kanilang pamumuhay. Salamat, Ma.
Hindi ko sila papabayaan. Nandun pa rin ako sa tabi nila habang buhay. Ikaw na ang magiging kakampi ko sa lahat ng bagay. Because at the end of the day, you're the person I want to come home every day. You're the person I want to tell my everything went. You're the person I want to share my happiness, my sadness, my frustration, and success of my life.